Once you get done adding content to a Word document, you're going to find that there's potential mistakes that we need to go back in and fix. Whether that's misspellings in words, improper formatting that you're using with your paragraphs or your tabs, additional spaces where they shouldn't be, whatever it might be. We all make mistakes, whether it's inside of our own documents or documents that we receive from coworkers or others. We need to get in there and be able to edit the content. So I've got another example file here. Feel free to download it. It's right here attached to this video. It's called 02 Word Editing Text. And I've got a couple of really simple examples here that we're going to go back in and fix of mistakes. Spelling errors, additional formatting characters like spaces or enters in the wrong place, whatever it might be. But let's see how we can get back in there and edit this document. And this is really simple to do. It really relies, in order to make the edits, it relies on your cursor, where you place the cursor. So first sentence here, edit the spelling mistage in this sentence. So Word, it recognized that, hey, there's a misspelling in here. They underlined it in red there. And we're going to talk more about the spell checker later on and see how we can fix this. But to manually do this, I need to make that change. I need to say this is mistake. So I need to change that G to a K. So I place my cursor just to the right of the G, and I'll hit the backspace key on my keyboard. We'll backspace that out. I'll type in the K, and there I fixed the mistake from mistage to mistake. So again, I've just placed my cursor directly to the right of the character or the area that I want to delete, and then I just press my backspace key. And I can press it once to get rid of that G, press it multiple times if I want to delete out a whole bunch of stuff. Whatever I need to do, but place your cursor first, and then you can start to attack whatever mistake you've made. Let's see. Find the missing word in this and add it. All right. So what I'm looking here is I want to put the word sentence. Find the missing word in this sentence and add it. So I place my cursor in there. Let's see. Find the missing word in this. I want to put it right in between this and and. So I place my cursor in there. Now I'm right next door to the S. I'm going to turn on my paragraph markers, my format markers there. Remember the little dot inside there? That represents a space every time you hit your space bar on your keyboard. So right now I got a space in there, but I need another one. So I'm going to tap my space bar again. Now I got two spaces, dot, dot, but right in between those two, right where the that line is at, my cursor's at, I'm going to type in the word sentence. And there we have it. Find the missing word in this sentence and add it. Cool. Once again, all based on where you place your cursor at your insertion point. That's where you'll begin typing or deleting with your backspace. All right, there's too many tabs at the beginning of the sentence. Remove one of them. Well, if I turn off the paragraph markers once again, remember that backwards P up there on your home tab, I can see I got a lot of white space in there. But I turn on the paragraph markers, I can see I got two tabs. Remember the arrows, they denote every time you hit your tab key. Not a big deal. I place my cursor just to the right of one of them. I can even do it in front of the first one if I'd like to. Hit my backspace, and I've now removed one of those tabs. All right, one more. Areas of this sentence have too many spaces added between the words. Remove the extra spaces. Remember, backwards P. You've got multiple dots in there. Anywhere you see multiple dots, we want to go in there and just clean those up. Place my cursor in there, and I'll just wipe out the extra dot, which denotes the space. So these are all little things, but once again, they're foundational. Being able to add text that we talked about earlier, now being able to edit that text. You're going to do a lot of it. And to help you identify these special characters and additional symbols or misspellings, Word does some of the work for you. Now it's just up to you. Place your cursor where you need to make the change. Either type on your keyboard once you're there, delete it out with your backspace, whatever you need to do. But try it out. Get into this example file, 02 Word Editing Text, download it, open it up and make those corrections. Use your insertion, use your mouse to place your cursor wherever you need it, and then make your changes, make your updates. Try it out.